Okay, I'd like to show you my amazing cat, Leroy. Say hi to the people. Oh, hi. Say hi to people. Hello. Okay. Now, this cat, he is so flexible. He can do anything. I mean, watch this. Hey, you might think I'm hurting him, but I'm not hurting him. Trust me, I am not hurting him. He likes to be flipped around. You can use him as a little scarf for the winter. He's crazy. He's a good cat. He's a Maine Coon. He is 4. Yep, 4. He was, I forget when he was born, but he's a good kitty. He's a good kitty. He can act like a little parrot too. She's a week from Christmas, Saturday. I made so many videos today because I was so bored. Here's put a little thing of holly on him. Dress him up for Christmas. He's a beautiful cat. He's so fluffy. He's a fresh little thing though. He tries to escape the house a lot. Then he usually ends up back in the house at like midnight. If we're lucky. He's a good cat. He's a good cat. Whoa! See? He's awesome. He's like Super Pig. I mean Super Cat. Spider-Man. He's humongous. See? Woo! Loves it. Well, no, I don't think he likes to be played like this. I'm sure he gets annoyed by it and stuff, but at least I'm not hurting him. Anyways, thank you. I'm gonna make a little Christmas video of all my cats dressed up in Christmas costumes. Anyways, thank you. Say bye to the camera.
Bye. Bye-bye.